In recent years, the migratory phenomenon has been unfolding as Californians set their sights on new horizons and swap California sunsets for Texas sunrises. This trend, aptly named Texodus, refers to the large-scale resettlement of California residents to the Lone Star State. To shed light on this intriguing migration pattern, Storage Cafe, a technology platform that empowers the development and delivery of tenant-related services, has conducted an in-depth analysis. The Texodus route has become increasingly crowded, with a staggering number of Californians making the move to Texas each year since 2021. To put the magnitude of this migration into perspective, the annual influx amounts to approximately 111,000 individuals. To illustrate the scale further, if this population were to establish their own city, it would rival the size of prominent northern Texas cities like Richardson, Carrollton, or Frisco. The allure of Texas has captured the attention of various demographics, most notably millennials born between 1981 and 2006, who represent nearly half of all immigrants from California to Texas, according to Storage Cafe. Among the younger generation, cities such as Dallas, Austin, and Houston have emerged as attractive settlement destinations. Immigrant millennials are drawn to these urban hubs due to the promising job prospects they offer in industries like technology, finance, education, and healthcare. A comprehensive study by Storage Cafe reveals that one particularly compelling migration trend involves the financial advantages for homebuyers. Those migrating from Santa Clara, California, to Dallas, Texas, for example, can save well over $1 million. Comparing the median list prices for homes in these two locations, a home in Dallas is priced at around $410,000, whereas a similar home in Santa Clara would command a staggering $1,467,000. The price difference amounts to an astonishing 258%. As inflation continues to be a concern for many, the appeal of relocating to more affordable areas becomes increasingly apparent. In addition to the pull factors for individuals, large companies have also recognized the advantages offered by the Lone Star State. One high-profile example is Tesla, the car company helmed by billionaire Elon Musk. In December 2021, Musk made the strategic decision to move Tesla's headquarters from Palo Alto, California, to the Austin area in Texas. Citing difficulties for employees to afford homes in the Bay Area, Musk also acknowledged the growing trend of remote work prompted by the pandemic. However, Tesla is not alone in this trend. More than 100 major companies have made the move to Texas, including notable names like California Telecom DZS and infrastructure giant AECom. DZS, a global provider of ultra-broadband and 5G platforms, relocated its headquarters from Los Angeles, California, to Plano, Texas. This move also involved the establishment of a technical center of excellence. The decision by AECom, a renowned leader in infrastructure innovation with $13.2 billion in sales and 47,000 employees worldwide, to move its headquarters from Los Angeles to Dallas further exemplifies the business migration to the Lone Star State. By joining their existing 1,200 Dallas employees, AECom aims to create a major growth hub and attract top talent. The relocation trend has garnered optimism from key industry leaders. The CEO of JLL, a prominent real estate and investment management firm, shares positive sentiments about moving businesses to Dallas. She highlights the attractive factors that lure large enterprises to Texas, such as access to cheaper labor and more favorable tax treatments. This perspective aligns with the common opinion among businesses relocating to Texas, indicating a broader appeal and advantageous business environment. Texodus reflects a multidimensional phenomenon powered by individuals seeking new opportunities and large companies recognizing the advantages offered by Texas. As Californians migrate to the Lone Star State, driven by economic prospects and the appeal of affordable living, the dynamics of both states undergo significant transformations.